The rain falls slow, but it cuts so deep. Every drop a secret I couldn't keep. Your name echoes where silence should sleep. Lost in your shadow, I can't let go. Everywhere I turn, your ghost says hello. You're left by your hearing, the cracks of my The sky turns gray like a whispered lie. I reach for the stars, but they won't reply. Your touch lingers, though I said goodbye. Every step I take feels like a mistake. Lost in your shadow, I can't let go. Everywhere I turn, your ghost says hello. You're left by your here, the cracks of my I built a wall, but it breaks each night. Your memory floods like a thief of light. Every breath feels like a fight.